Before you decide to buy State Farm's mobile app, here are 12 things you need to know. State Farm is one of the most recognized names in the insurance industry, but how does their mobile app stack up against competitors? Let's break it down. First, the app gives you easy access to manage your insurance policies right from your phone. You can view coverage details, pay bills, and even file claims directly from the app. But compared to other apps like Geico or Allstate, State Farm's interface isn't as sleek or intuitive. It feels a bit more cluttered, making it harder to find certain features quickly. The second thing you should know is that it offers a quick quote feature. This is great for getting an estimate for auto, home, or renter's insurance without much hassle. However, keep in mind that it doesn't always provide the most accurate results unless you're logged in, and even then, the comparison features aren't as extensive as what you might find with competitors like Progressive. Next thing, the app supports easy claims tracking. Once you've filed a claim, the app lets you monitor its status, upload photos, and keep track of all updates. While this is useful, apps like USAA offer a more seamless claims experience with live chat options and faster updates. The fourth thing is the ability to access roadside assistance. This can be a lifesaver if you break down and need a tow or battery jump. But again, it's a service that's widely available with other insurers, and some apps, like those from 8AA, might have more expansive services in your area. Now let's talk about payments. With State Farm, you can schedule automatic payments or pay on the go, which is convenient. However, the app's reminder system isn't as reliable as apps from competitors like Allstate, where you get more detailed payment notifications and options. The sixth thing you need to know is the app's integration with other services. If you have a home or auto loan with State Farm, it's fairly easy to manage both insurance and financing under one app. But if you're looking for more complex financial tools, like the ones offered by Allstate's or Geico's apps, you may be a bit limited. The seventh thing is the app's claim assistance tools. If you need help navigating your claim, State Farm provides limited in-app support. While they have a 24/7 claims hotline, other competitors like Progressive have better in-app chat features, which might be more convenient if you're in a hurry. The eighth thing you should know is the mobile card feature. This lets you access your insurance cards without needing a physical copy, which is great for quick access. It's something many other insurers offer, but State Farm's app does a good job of storing and displaying these cards clearly. The ninth thing, State Farm offers a few discounts through the app, including safe driving discounts and bundling options. These are nice perks, but compared to apps like Geico, State Farm's discount offerings and savings tracking feel a little basic. The 10th thing is the user experience. While the app is functional, it can feel slow at times, especially during high traffic periods. Apps like Allstate and Progressive tend to run more smoothly, even when accessing large amounts of data or during busy times. The 11th thing is security. State Farm uses encryption to protect your personal and financial information, which is essential. While this is standard across the industry, it's reassuring to know that they take this seriously, especially when compared to apps from smaller insurance companies. And the 12th thing to keep in mind is that the app's overall user reviews are mixed. While some find it extremely helpful for managing their insurance needs, others point out that it lacks features like customizable reports, which you can find in other apps like USAA. In conclusion, State Farm's app offers a solid range of features for policyholders, but if you're looking for a more polished and feature-rich experience, you might want to explore other options. If you're interested in something that's easier to use and offers more functionality, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.